Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to perform clean installation of your Nvidia graphics card driver on your Windows computer. Now for this you can go to Nvidia website. The link is provided in the video description. Once you go to Nvidia website, select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here. Select your series. Make sure that you select your series and your graphic card. Once you select your graphic card, select the right operating system. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. Click on Find. Now on this page, you will see the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, you can click on View and then click on Download over here. And let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Now you can click on this file and then click on yes to allow and then click on OK and let the process complete. Now click on agree and continue and then select custom option and then click on next and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check over here and then click on next and let the installation complete. Now once installed, you can close this and then restart your computer. And you should be able to perform clean installation. You can even use Nvidia app to perform clean installation. Now for this, you can Google search Nvidia app. You can go to the official Nvidia website and here you can see Nvidia app. You can download this app, install it, and then you can launch Nvidia app. Once you launch the Nvidia app, you can go to drivers and then over here you can click on check for update. So click on check for update, and if there is any update you will see download option. You can click on download. In my case I will just reinstall. Click on yes to allow, and for clean installation select custom installation. And over here you can see the box to put a check for clean installation. So make sure that you put a check over here and then click on continue and let the installation complete. This process will take some time, and once this is done, once it is finished, restart your computer. So this is how you can perform clean installation of your Nvidia graphics card driver. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.